Introduction to shapes. I am a triangle. I have 3 sides, 3 angles. I will go and stay in the shape of a mountain. Is there anyone like me? I am a rectangle. I have 4 sides, 4 angles. A notebook, books, a compass box. Who looks like the shape of a cupboard? I am a circle. I have no sides, no angles. A sister's bangle, a bicycle tire. Is there anyone like this shape? I am a square. I have 4 sides, 4 angles. I look like the shape of a handkerchief. Is there anyone like me? In this way, the triangle, rectangle, circle, and square understood their identity. Let's make friends with them.